Hi everyone, I'm Özgür from M.E.T.U. One of the most difficult moments in a new parent's life is the time where they have to go back to work, leaving their babies with a babysitter at home. And M.E.T.U is a product designed just for that moment. It's actually very easy to set up. It supports cloud recording, and it has environmental sensors that can keep track of your baby's room. Recording important moments of your baby is great. However, none of the parents have time to watch 8 hours of video every day just to see what happened while they were away on work. And that is actually what M.E.T.U solves, and it solves it in a way that is different from the competition. It basically identifies the moments where the baby is crying, where the babysitter is not taking care of the baby properly, or where the temperature, humidity, or air quality in the baby's room is off limits, or even some cheerful moments like the moment where the baby is in actually field of view of the camera and smiling. M.E.T.U takes all this information, analyzes your video and determines all these moments automatically, sends you mobile notifications, and also creates a smart daily diary so that you can, when parents come back home, they can just quickly flick through the events of the day and see what happened while they were away. We now also have a mobile app for parents who don't want to invest in hardware to be able to get these features. So you can simply use your old mobile phone, turn it into an M.E.T.U camera, leave it next to the baby, and use all these services that I mentioned without doing any investment and very quickly. Looking at the competition, basically what we are doing is we are bringing advanced technology to a focused segment, which is baby monitoring. And that is actually what makes us unique. We use advanced video analysis technologies and focus them on the baby market. We have 3 founders and 3 R&D engineers. Me and Yağız, we have Ph.D.s on video processing, and our other partner has a master's in human-computer interaction. Looking at the revenue model, you can either just start using the service by the mobile app, or you can buy our camera. And for the recording and analysis services, you'll need to get either a one-time fee for the video or a subscription service. We actually received a $400K investment 3 months ago, so we are fired up and looking forward to the coming months. The camera is now currently in production. We already launched our mobile app, and we plan to reach cash positive at the end of the first half of the next year.
And your time is up.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it. All right.
How many customers do you have?
For the mobile app, it's a bit more than 1,000, and the camera is not also.
What's your conversion rate on your homepage?
That's like 4 or 5%.
4 or 5%?
We have like very high.
What's the price of the app?
It's free.
That's a pretty low conversion rate for a free app.
Yeah.
It should be like 20% or more. I would think so for a free app.
I'm including the sign up to them, not just downloading the app, because we need an account for it.
Okay, all right, maybe that's fine.
Can you use the mic?
I'm sure.
What's your channel for distribution?
For the hardware or the software? For the hardware, actually, we already made a pilot on Amazon.com, and we are also partners with a similar site in Turkey. Yes, actually, but we have been unable to get our hands on it. We have been asked this question many times, but the product has moved faster than the Kickstarter process somehow.
The only thing that concerns me about this pitch is like you actually explain a lot about your business model, but even in your team, it's notably absent. You have nobody doing marketing or sales.
Yes.
And especially for distribution, something like this would be nice to see that you have that capability.
Yeah. That's correct. We are having some difficulties about that. Thank you.
Yes.
Have you considered international expansion? Your app seemed to be in Turkish.
Yeah, I mean, we have it in English as well. I will replace the screenshots. These are Turkish.
I would have thought Arabic would be a more obvious next step.
Really? Actually, November we'll be on the Arabian Tech Tour, so maybe I'll prepare an Arabic version as well.
How was the testing done initially? I don't take you back. How do you test the product?
You mean like technically or the customer?
Customer.
Actually, we have a very basic landing page. We've started collecting emails. And also we had like a small Facebook ads, like not with lots of budget, but we checked the return rates as well.
The reason I'm asking is there's a lot of products out there that does the same proposition in a different way, of course, you know, and some of the mothers won't replace these things easily because they feel secure with the physical, you know, product that they are currently using. So especially that makes about a relationship between the mom and the baby, and you know how it is, it's very sensitive, very sentimental. You know, so how was that when it was tested, and were they comfortable with it and all of that? Some mothers use the same device they use for their other babies because they feel it's reliable.
We actually have a friend from school who runs a big forum for mothers, and she's a mother. So we actually have a group there, and we keep asking the moms, you know, what kind of product they would like, and so on and so forth. And we are receiving actually lots of feedback from them, and we are trying to shape the product according to that feedback, because we don't have any like girls on the team. And so that's really a totally different world. Yeah, that's you're right about that.
You need someone who goes to the houses and really look at these mothers, you know, to enhance the features. This is where the user is really important, both of them, the user and the buyer, basically. And real life monitoring would be very helpful in observation.
What's the 1 month retention rate?
Actually, I was just checking those. 1 month is like. Yeah, about like 2-3%. But this is only we have launched the mobile app only for a month. So I just saw the retention rate yesterday. So yeah, because this is like you need to come back to the app. I mean, if you're using the app, you'll just launch it every day. So we need to have a high retention rate. Yeah. No, I mean because the product has not been around for 1 month, so I guess those numbers are from ourselves. So that's not a very accurate number, I guess, because. Okay.
% of people who try continue using it, or
But after 1 month.
after a month? Okay.
And this is like, as I said before, it has just been launched for a month now. So this is like the first 5 users.
Okay. And do you
Yeah,
know
so
why
this
they
is not
leave?
like statistically significant, I think. We need to
I
have
was just going to say, so the presentation was quite great. I'm confused about the name, because first of all, when I first name in video, I never thought it was about baby monitoring. And then I see baby here, but in the presentation, I also saw kids, not just babies. So I'm a bit confused. Why do you just target babies? And if you do that, like the logo and the name, it's a bit.
It's actually, I know, you're right, that's a good point. The InVideo Baby is the name of the mobile app. InVideo is the camera, the hardware. And the hardware is more oriented towards baby and babysitter monitoring. So it's intended for older kids. But the mobile app is more like the first 6 months kind of app. But this is like a bit confusing.
But we haven't showed them this. You should have been showing it all around, you know, and holding it probably. You've done something, you've done something. And I wonder how much you spent on building this, because it looks like a finished product at the moment, right? And you haven't tested it that heavily, you know? So that's a very important thing. You shouldn't be reaching a stage where you have packaged it already and you haven't got money from anyone to buy it yet, right?
Yes.
That's too late. It's really late, you know? Because you might, once you get this out of the market, you might want to do a lot of changes as well. So, anyways, you should consider. Yes, exactly. That should wait until the end. But anyway, thank you so much. If you want to just pass it to Dr. to see it quickly. Thanks a lot.